how to add the Apple Music widget in seconds on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, just click and hold on screen. If you want to add widgets, click on widgets. After click on widgets, and you will see here showing you Apple Music. Click on Apple Music. After click on Apple Music, you will see widgets is showing on your screen. For widgets is showing here. If you want to add widget, so just select widget and just click and hold on widget. After just click and hold on widget, so you will see drag into your home screen and you will see your widget is added on your screen. So after the process, you will increase or decrease size from here. After adjusting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add the Apple Music widget in seconds on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.